Good morning. So today is our last day in San Antonio, and we're actually gonna go to stay over there in downtown because over here, I wish we could have stayed over here, but we didn't book for another night. It was we were just planning to stay like 3 nights, I believe, and then I was like, well, let's get another night because there's so much to do and I wanted to do more. So sadly, for this place where we're staying at, which is really nice, they didn't have any. It was already booked, so we ended up getting another room in over there in downtown. But I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And looks like it's raining outside right now. It looks like it rained, guys. Let's see, can you tell? It's all it looks all wet outside, like if it had rained. But yeah, so far I'm just packing all my stuff now. Woke up like at 8, I guess 7:50, so let's say 8, to do my hair, my makeup, just in case we take pictures on the way. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to finish packing my stuff and kind of like cleaning around and before we leave, like just not to leave it all messy. And that's it. We'll see what we're gonna do today. We'll probably go to the Riverwalk, I'm not sure, but we'll see. So far these are my bags. Pretty much almost done because I woke up before my boyfriend. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up packing, and I think he's gonna go make breakfast and we'll head out.
¿Qué no te gusta? Que we're in the hood.
We are in the hood. She's right here.
I like those dilazados, I like them. See?
Yeah.
That's how it is at nighttime.
Second room. And we left the room dirty already. Like we messy. We left the room messy already. It looked pretty when we came in, but the closet, the restroom.
What are these up to?
The camera? The restroom. The restroom is my favorite part. I like that. What? I didn't get to record my plate because I already finished eating, pero this is the second plate. Yeah, boy.
What's that?
Se comió 10 tacos en total. 10 tacos. It was good though. I really wanted some of those though. Actually, Loki, let's try. Wanted this one. Yeah, this one, and that one.
Press OK. It says that you read this first. The machine does not give change. Please pay credit card for exact currency. The refunds will be issued. Press OK on the turn machine. Enter license plates. Make payment. Complete receipt. Take the receipt to display face up on dashboard. This slide is.
And that girl's gonna get run over.
Okay, baby, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so press OK.
Duckies. They're honking at the little ducks?
Getting some little boat.
Yeah.
And it's very with anywhere from 5 to 30 miles any of the time.
They are coming from that side, right?
I think. We just have to walk a whole lot. Damn. Like, damn. Oh my god, you had a skate. The line's long.
I'm gonna sanitize my home really good.
Okay.
Sí, pero si viene mi esposo, sí. O sea, cuida los de los demás. Manzana.
The what? Hey, we already passed. Huh?
Yeah, dude.
You can buy me a ring too?
There's nothing with cat. the things that we saw. Remember?
Oh, those are cool.
Remember?
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah,
Good, and you?
pretty good.
There you go.
Is everything only cash?
We can try to do a credit card. I had issues earlier, but I've also had some go through too.
Oh, okay.
You wanted one?
No. Well, I'm asking so that we can look around and everything. What are you gonna get?
I'm looking for the
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Are those?
Bring $20.
Because we have to go back that way. Come on.
Oh look, he's making a painting. Oh.
So once you get a 6 packs. Oh, the metal trees. I don't understand.
There's more over here. I like the brown one.
I know. Bro, y'all just take cash or? Will y'all take card? Oh, they take card.
Oh, okay.
¿Quieres una?
No, baby, ya me compré.
Me compro otra. You like this one right here? Oh, wait. I know you know. I know you were just coming.
Does it have the little hanger?
Does it come like for you to hang it? Like a hanger, like a bag?
This one iPad bag.
It's a what?
The iPad bag.
Oh, it's an iPad bag. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
That's very nice though for an iPad.
You can use like when you go to the party or hang out, you can
Yeah.
carry like this. And after you don't use, you put iPad.
Yeah, okay. That's pretty smart though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have an iPad though.
And
And we
Oh,
have an
okay.
iPad.
oh, I see that.
The one that have the hammer I already sold.
Ah.
I made like the design can be used for crunch and iPad bag and cost for it.
Okay.
Not the one that cost for this.
Oh, okay, yeah. They sold out. She sold out the ones that hang.
Oh,
Like,
that's
Maybe I have the small one. It's not like that. You want to see?
you want to see the small one?
Yeah, I have the hand.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty.
But this one cannot use for iPad.
Yeah.
It's just made for iPad.
Yeah.
And this one have hand.
Looking above the
Handle.
front of our street level, you will see the portion friendship. Again, painted that stereotypical.
You don't got one like that with this? No? It's fine.
Oh, they're pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like that one. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can use it for iPad too,
Yeah.
not for carry only.
Yeah, we don't have one though, yeah. Thank you. You have a great night.
Thank you. Uh-huh.
Two. Siya may damon.
Yeah.
You don't have one.
I don't have it like
And my tablet
that.
won't fit there. It's too big. It's too runny.
Yeah.